Practice problem 4 gives us 4 different tables. Each answer choice is its own table, and they say which of these tables contains coordinate points that form a linear function. One option, especially when these numbers are this small, would be to create graphs, plot each of these points, and see which table actually creates a straight line graph. I'm going to show you a second method or a different method. Instead here we're going to use the whiteboard. We're going to focus on measuring the slope between each point and seeing which one has a constant rate of change or a constant slope throughout. So if we look at table A, we see the x value is increasing by a constant amount each time x is increasing by 1 unit. But we see for the y value at first it increases by 3 units, and then it increases by 5 units. From 1 to 4 it goes up by 3, and then from 4 to 9 it goes up by 5. So this has a slope of 3 over 1 and then a slope of 5 over 1. The slope does not remain constant, so A cannot be our correct answer. For C, we'll take a look over at that one. We see that the y value remains constant. 2 to 0 is down by 2. 0 to negative 2 is down by 2. But the x value increased by 1 the first time, and then it increased by 3. So again, negative 2 over 1 for a slope in the beginning is not the same slope as negative 2 over 3. So we know this is also not going to be a linear function. The rate of change is different. For D, we see x values go up by 1. Y value goes up by 7, and then it goes down by 6. So this definitely a changing a positive slope, then a giant negative slope. We should see a constant slope over here, up by 2, and then here also increasing by 2, increasing by 2. The slope remains constant here the entire time. So that's how we know B is our correct answer at the end of the day. Sorry for that work being blocked. So if we took a look one more time at B, we see the y value increases by 2 during that time x went up 2, and then that same pattern of y increasing by 2, x increasing by 2 shows that's our linear table.